Bitcoin right now is preparing for a major breakout. Bitcoin is right now trading in a descending channel. We have been talking about the declining resistance is getting respected very significantly and the declining support as well. And yeah, sooner or later, and I think this might happen quite soon, guys, in the next coming days, Bitcoin is going to see a breakout, most likely to the upside, and is going to continue this bounce that we have been expecting, and is going to continue to see higher levels. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you exact signals in the Bitcoin charts which are showing us whenever Bitcoin is seeing a breakout and whenever Bitcoin is starting the next major rally. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's talk about Bitcoin, guys. But before we talking about Bitcoin, I want to have a quick talk about my video from yesterday. If you haven't seen my video from yesterday, guys, make sure to go over there and have a look at it, because I think the video of yesterday was actually quite interesting. I had a talk about how you can define Bitcoin in a bear market and in a bull market. And I think that is actually quite an interesting topic right now if we have a look at the Bitcoin price action, because there is a lot of confusion between whether Bitcoin is in a bull market or whether Bitcoin is in a bear market. It of course depends which price characteristics you use in order to determine a bull or bear market. But yeah, in yesterday's video, guys, I'm explaining my perspective on this topic, and I think it actually shows a clear way how you can determine whenever Bitcoin is in a bull market, or what we want to see right now with the Bitcoin price in order to confirm that Bitcoin is entering a bear market. So guys, that is very interesting. And next to that, I'm also sharing some news from JP Morgan, because JP Morgan right now stating or is saying that Bitcoin is going into a bear market due to one superficial signal. And I think that's actually a bullish sign, because JP Morgan is known to be one of the companies who's giving like bad advice to investors, because most of the time they are giving advice for their own interest, right? So they don't really check whether what is the best for the investor. No, they check what's the best for them. They're looking from that perspective, which makes a lot of sense. But normally when we are seeing that bearish news articles from such big players, right, that's most of the time a contrarian sign, which right now could be a bullish sign if JP Morgan is announcing a bear market on one superficial indicator. So guys, that was also quite interesting. If you haven't seen today's video, yesterday's video, guys, make sure to go over there, watch it. Right now I'm going to show you what is going to happen in the Bitcoin price. But before we are jumping into the Bitcoin price, guys, scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, that is very much appreciated. Subscribe to the channel so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Then let's dive into the Bitcoin chart, guys. So guys, right here we can see that Bitcoin is trading in a clear descending channel. We got a descending resistance right here, we got a descending support right here, and yesterday as well we clearly got rejected from this declining resistance right here. And this is the first resistance that I'm watching, guys. This is the first level Bitcoin needs to break in order to get a more bullish structure to change from this declining channel structure into a more bullish price structure. And that resistance right now is at approximately slightly below $38,000. It's right now at 37,750 approximately. But yeah, it's a dynamic number, so the further we go in time, the lower this number will be. So this is a breakout I'm expecting actually quite soon in the price of Bitcoin. Let's go to the daily time frame, guys. I want to show you what we can see on the daily time frame. So what I expect right here, guys, what I think is one of the more likelier scenario, if the bullish signals, which I'm going to show you in a minute, stay intact, is that Bitcoin is going to do something like this. We are going to set a higher low right here, and yeah, eventually we are going to break the declining resistance, and we are going to continue this uptrend. If we are going to see that nice breakout from the declining resistance, the next major level that I'm expecting Bitcoin is going to test is this, the $42,000 level, which aligns with the previous high right here. That is going to be a very important level. And yeah, if we were to break that level, then of course we got the other levels above us, which is other key moving average, like the 20-week moving average, which is going to be very important, guys, as well, to determine whether Bitcoin is going to enter a bear market or not. And that is also what I explained in yesterday's video. We want to see the coming price action of Bitcoin. We really want to see what Bitcoin is going to do in order to confirm whether we are going to see a more bearish scenario or whether Bitcoin can start the next uptrend from here. Right now, like I said in many of my videos, guys, right now I'm still bullish on the price of Bitcoin, very bullish actually. And I think it's good to have a bullish bias right here. Then guys, let's bring out the indicators right here. So guys, as you can see, the bullish divergence right here on the daily time frame is still intact, and it is possible that in the next days we are going to test this momentum, this uptrending support in the momentum indicator, and that could align with a higher low right here in the price and eventually a breakout to the upside. However guys, if this bullish divergence on the daily time frame is being invalidated, that would be a bearish sign, of course, if we were to break below it. Right now, I don't think that is the more likely scenario. Right now, I think it's definitely more likely to get that that nice bounce off from that support and see that also being expressed in the price. The negative funding rates, guys, is something that I really like in this scenario as well. That still the majority is short. That most of the time shows us that we still can see buying pressure on the price of Bitcoin due to the fact that the majority is still short on Bitcoin. We have seen it in the past as well very often. When we have negative funding rates, most of the time the price tend to go up instead of tend to go down. Then of course we got this nice indicator, which is the hash ribbon, and sooner or later we are going to see a inversion. Actually, we have seen the inversion of the hash ribbon right here, but sooner or later the hash ribbon will go to normal levels right here, where the short-term moving average is going back above the long-term moving average. Most of the time that is followed by a buy signal right here, and this buy signal has been historically a great indicator of showing of good opportunities to buy Bitcoin. Then guys, we got one more indicator I want to show you. This indicator I've been talking already about since Bitcoin was at 65,000 US dollars, and that is the declining resistance on the RSI right here. We have a clear declining resistance on the RSI. If we were to break that declining resistance, then that is a great signal, might be a great signal to signal us the start of the next major rally in the Bitcoin price, guys. So that is one of the signals that I'm watching right now as well. So far Bitcoin is still looking good. Price structure is in a declining channel. We have to break that declining channel soon to the upside, and I think we will break the declining channel soon to the upside. I think we do something like this, like setting a higher low right here, and eventually break that declining resistance, and Bitcoin can continue this uptrend or at least see quite a big of a bounce. And then it's going to be very important how Bitcoin is going to react at these key levels that I've just have been pointing out. So guys, that is the Bitcoin update right now. So far, like I said, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. I think right now we are just preparing, we are just seeing some consolidation before Bitcoin is going to see that breakout and is going to see that bounce, which might result in the next uptrend. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis, guys. If you do make sure to scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. That is very, very much appreciated. Then for all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin or a variety of altcoins, you can sign up on one of these exchanges that I'm using. I'm recommending free exchanges. I have all my affiliate links to these exchanges down below in the pinned comment, and if you use my affiliate link to sign up on one of these exchanges, you will get a extra bonus. Right now there's a big bonus going on the Bybit exchange where you can get a $1,600 US bonus for signing up. You can find more information with my affiliate link down below. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I will see every single one of you in the next video.